Let's talk about evaluating logs using the calculator that is on the computer. Now, as long as we have a common log, a base 10 log, it's easy for us just to type it in. Remember now that if there is no subscript written, then this is understood to be a base 10 common log. When we've got that, our calculator will handle it with no effort at all. Let's just type in 100, the number we were trying to take the log of, and I'll press the log key right here. When I do that, don't even have to press equals. There's our answer, 2. The log of 100 is equal to 2. This is true because the understood base of 10, if you square it, gives you 100. 10 squared is 100. We can also very easily compute natural logs on our calculator since there is a natural log key as well. So if you're trying to do the natural log of 10, type in 10, hit the LN key, and it's evaluated here for us automatically. If we wanted to round this to the thousandths place, since this 5 or more rounds up, that would turn this 2 into a 3. So our value would be approximately 2.303. Remember, the squiggly equals means approximately. So as long as I've got a base 10 common log or a natural log, it's easy just to type it into the calculator. But suppose I have a base 2 log. I don't see on my calculator anywhere a log with a base of 2. What we'll have to do here is to use what's called the change of base formula. What you do is you divide by either the natural log or common log, makes no difference. I'm using natural log. The natural log of this value, you divide that by the natural log of the base. So for the example of a base 2 log of 8, we would type in 8 and press the log key. Then we would say divided by 2 and press the log key. And you notice our calculator is telling us it's ln of 8 divided by ln of 2. Now here's one trick to remember. You must press equals. If you don't press equals, your calculator at this point is telling you just the ln of 2. So press equals. There's our result. Now 3 is the correct answer because if you take this base of 2 and you cube it, you would get 8. 2 cubed is 8. Let's try one that's not going to come out quite so nicely. Let's do the base 2 log of 14. I'll type into my calculator 14, and to show that it can be done with ln or log, I'll do it with log this time. So 14, press the log key. Now let's say divided by 2 and press the log key. As long as we consistently use the same type of log each time, it makes no difference. And let's press equals. Looks like our answer this time, if we round it to the hundredths place, this 7 again makes me round up, so 3.81 would be our value. Now that makes sense to me that 3.81 should be the approximate solution here. I know that 2 to the 4th power, 2 times 2 makes 4, times another 2 is 8, times another 2 is 16. 16 is a little more than 14, so we needed an answer that was a little bit less than 4. Looks like we've got a good answer rounded to the hundredths place. Change of base can be done with natural logs or with common logs, whichever is convenient. All you've got to do, type in the number that you're taking the log of, press whichever type of log you're using, divided by the base, take the log of it, being sure to keep the same type of log, and end by pressing equals. Either type of log will work. You can choose.